Hi everyone, Gina K's new Christmas kit came in and of course I bought it. So let's see what is in here. Also, I forgot the name of it, so I'll have to tell you when I open it what it is. And I made a mistake. In the Autumn Splendor kit, I told you all that it came with some dies. It came with a die plate that cut out like 20 pieces of ephemera at one time. It was like all the pumpkins, the watercolored pumpkins and the gourds and leaves and flowers. And I said that if you didn't get it in the kit, when they sold it separately the next month, you weren't going to get the die plate with the ephemera to cut it all out. I was wrong. That's not true. The die plate is available on Uniki's website, along with that fall ephemera. So I was wrong. Okay, so of course I spent over $75, so I got the incentive stamp kit. I really liked this thing right here, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I liked that font the best. I didn't really care for this too much, and I didn't spend $75 on purpose just to get this. It just ended up working that way. But she has the wreath builder sets, and these would be good to fill in little wreaths. And Deanna, if you're watching, I gave you those. They're little squares, and you turn them in the Misty. Do you remember that? They were like, it was like a plastic square, and you keep turning it, and you keep something on the Misty, and you keep stamping so that you turn it quarter of a turn all the way, and then all of a sudden you have this nice wreath in the middle, and you can keep adding things to make the wreath fuller. So if you have any questions about that, Deanna, let me know. I know you need a Misty, but I guess these can go on hair or something. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. But the holly berry leaves, the holly berries there with the little leaves, that's cute. So we'll see what I can do with it. I ended up getting the Master Layouts 11 because I really liked this. It's like a can't see it. It's like a window with 4 squares, and it's got some little postage stamp die cuts, and this one, which is a dotted one. So I want to play around with this too and show you some stuff. I say that and I never do the video, so we'll see. I also got this die set. This is the Santa silhouette because I'm going to make some Christmas cards. So, but that wasn't part of the kit. That was extra stuff. And kit I'm going to take out right now. Stuck in here. Alright. So this kit is called A Very Silly Season Stamp Set. A Very Silly Season. And it comes with all this stuff. And the free gift was these little dies of houses. Like you can make a little village. I thought that was really cute. So that was free in the kit. And I'll just take you through. You get 2 stamp sets and 2 die sets. So this is A Very Silly Season, and the other one is called Blizzard, but I'll get to that in a minute. So there's all silly stuff on this one. I like the stockings. It says, "May your joys be many and your bills be few. I hope you like the present you told me to buy for you. I figured you would know better than Santa." And this one says, "Christmas is the only time of year you can happily sit in front of a dead tree and eat candy out of a sock. Don we now our ugly sweaters, fa la 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 la." So there's some silly things in here. I like this present. Excuse me. I like this present stamp over here, and I really like the stockings. And of course, there's a gnome. There's Gnome Place like home for the holidays. So you got that little gnome, but you can use that for any time of year. Because look, he's got hearts on his hat, and he's holding an envelope with a heart on it. So you can use that for Valentine's, you know. So that was the first set, and this is called Blizzard, and it came with all these pretty snowflakes. So I'll probably do emboss resist with these. And then it came with this, so you can add like little lights to it if you want, or whatever. Just use it for a little border. Says happy holidays. Sorry for the glare. So that's what this one looks like. And this was the Winter Wonderland Die Set. So it comes with all these things. You can make a little village, you know, and then it has this cute little picket fence that you could add between two of the houses. Thought that was cute. And a snowman, a lamppost. So that was cute. And then here are the dies for the silly Christmas season. Here are the dies for the Blizzard set. It did come with Connect Glue. And it came with, I think, 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of layering white. And I have cardstock, but I don't think I have this particular one from Gina K. So I'm going to do make some maybe Christmas skies with it. I'll do a video with you, and I'll see how it blends. Because I don't think I have this one. I might, though. I don't know. Who knows? So that was the card kit. And again, this one was called Blizzard, in case anyone wants to buy it separately. And this one is called A Very Silly Season. Because what they do there is they have the kit. And then when the kit sells out, the next month you can purchase all this stuff separately. You don't need to buy the whole kit if you don't want to. But I will tell you, it's a great deal to buy the kit because you're saving a lot of money doing. Usually all her kits are $59.95, and you're gonna save money doing it that way, getting it all at once. Sometimes I get stuff I'm not too happy with some of the stuff, but I get it anyway because it's still gonna be cheaper than versus getting it on its own. Because these are usually like $26.95 just for the stamps, and then $26.95 for the die. So it's, you know, figured the math. It is really a good deal. And all the kits, they usually throw something in there with them. So I just wanted to show you that. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.